Nasty.
Don't eat it. Poor lizard.
And it's like that snake's being eaten by a python. And then the python's being eaten by something else.
It needs to.
It's like
Excuse me.
by
Is that supposed to be happening? Like,
and pythons
people
being
take care of this?
eaten by tiny little
Got it. Should the people be taking care of this, or is that the snake's food? Are they not supposed to? Do you think that people should be taking care of it, or that we got to it? I feel like
I don't see any lizards on the sign, so it must be his food.
that is so weird. I don't want to be that lizard anymore. You were never a lizard.
She said she doesn't want us to be that.
Oh, there it goes.
Dude, that's so cool.
Oh,
You see it?
Dude. Ew. That's disgusting.
Faith has steak.
the lizard's tail's moving.
The lizard's alive.
But the cool thing was it's all the way in that corner, so.
Its tail is moving. The lizard's tail is moving.
Oh, how is it still alive?
The snake has its neck.
Yeah, it's not.
It's a battle between the lizard.
The lizard
the
already
snake.
lost.
How is the lizard's still alive?
It's lost. Its head is in the mouth.
I want to barf right now.
Oh, look at the snake. Look at its head.
Ew, it's eating its head.
Look at the snake's head.
Oh,
Look at its jaw. Look at its jaw. Look at its
it's turning it upside down.
That just ruined my appetite.
This is how they eat. Oh, yeah, it's dead.
The epic battle between us
Yeah, it's slowly going
and
inside
the
the
lizard.
Snake wins. How's a lizard? Oh,
It's slowly going.
ew, that's so disgusting. Oh, do you see it? Oh,
Why are you watching it? It's disgusting.
I like it.
It's cool, but. Hold on.
It looks like the snake's dead.
Oh, it's not. The lizard is. Wait, how is it like eating that whole thing and it's not?
Its jaw can go really
We
big.
can look later, Casey, because we want to
It's not even getting the fat.
It's not even chewing it.
No, swallows it whole.
I know.
But how is it like? Come on, spit it out.
It's already dead.
Oh. Oh, how will it fit the leg in its mouth?
Oh, it'll fit.
Didn't you see the arm?
Oh, yeah. How is that like fitting? It's fitting. There's a snake eating the lizard.
Oh, it's
Which
getting it
reminds
in
me
there.
of that scary story that you did, which was very sad actually.
How does it remind you?
The snake's jaw.
Oh, yeah.
See? Food.
It's like you're telling it to say cheese. It's like it looks so happy that it's.
I know, now it looks happy.
Well, it just got food for a couple of weeks.
So obvious.
There's no blood.
Well, it's eating it whole. It's not cutting it at all.
Oh my gosh. Eating a lizard.
Alive.
That's the tail sticking out of
But now
it.
it's dead.
There was a snake.
It stole a lizard off the edge and is now eating it.
It's eating it.
Will you show John? Xander?
What?
It's practically all gone.
The tail.
is like the only things to
Oh, do you see? He's swallowing something. It's a green snake, so it's hard to see him. He's swallowing a lizard.
Yeah,
do you see it? The tail and the lizard sticking out of his mouth?
We just came here. We just saw like.
The cool thing is the lizard was in that far corner, so it struck all the way across it.
That's a
snake.
And it's eating a lizard.
Alive.
But not the lizard's dead.
That thing takes like 20,000 years.
But it'll cost it like a week. So they only have to feed it once a week.
It's taken like 5 minutes.
Wow.